You've probably eaten cashews dozens of times. But what if I told you that the cashew in its natural state is so toxic, it could send you to the hospital? And the country where it all began, Brazil, hides a dark secret about how these nuts reach your snack bowl. Let's drift into the dangerous world of cashews. Number 1. The poison-ivy connection. Here's what blows my mind. Cashew shells contain urushiol, the exact same toxic oil found in poison ivy and poison oak. Touch a raw cashew shell, and you're looking at severe blistering, intense itching, and skin rashes that can last for weeks. This is why you've never seen cashews sold in their shells. Unlike peanuts or walnuts, raw cashews in shells would be a lawsuit waiting to happen. The nut you eat is trapped inside a toxic fortress. Number 2. Brazil's dangerous harvest. Cashew trees originated in northeastern Brazil, and today Brazil remains one of the world's major producers. But here's the part they don't advertise. Processing cashews is one of the most dangerous jobs in food production. Workers must roast the shells to release a substance called CNSL, cashew nut shell liquid. This liquid contains anacardic acid and cardol, compounds so caustic they cause severe skin burns on contact. Studies show the acute toxicity is significant enough that ingestion causes gastroenteritis, and it can even mess with your blood's clotting factors. The roasting process? It has to be done outdoors because the toxic fumes can cause serious respiratory damage. Workers face constant exposure to burning skin, toxic smoke, and chemical burns. It's brutal work that most people never think about when they grab a handful of cashews. Number 3. The raw cashew lie. Now here's something that'll make you question everything. Those raw cashews at your health food store? They're not actually raw. Every single cashew you've ever eaten has been heat-treated, either roasted or steamed, to neutralize the urushiol. A truly raw cashew would be dangerous to consume. The food industry doesn't want you to know this, but that raw label is technically misleading. They've all undergone industrial processing to make them safe. The difference is just how much additional roasting or flavoring they add afterward. The cashew nut itself, the part we eat, is safe, but only after this detoxification process. Without it, you're dealing with the same chemical that makes poison ivy so miserable. Number 4. The global impact. Brazil's cashew industry employs thousands, but the human cost is real. Workers, often in developing regions, face these hazards daily for minimal pay. The next time you see cashews at the store, remember, that innocent-looking nut required someone to brave toxic fumes and caustic oils. And here's the kicker. This isn't ancient history. Right now, workers in Brazil and other cashew-producing countries are processing these nuts under these exact conditions. The price of that convenient snack is higher than you think. So, the next time you reach for cashews, you'll know the toxic truth behind them. Nature wrapped one of our favorite snacks in a chemical weapon, and Brazil showed us just how dangerous it is to unwrap it.